Good afternoon, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We showed you what it looked like before we started. We've shown you different views as we were unloading and planting trees. And now the 5 big 12-inch diameter by 30 to 35 foot oak trees are in the ground. Tomorrow we put in the 6-inch oaks and start planting 40 10-foot cedars. We'll show you what that's like as we're going. Folks, we're the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. I know there's a lot of tree lovers out there and you don't know where to go to get trees, but now you do. Plus, when you buy trees from the Tree Planters, we install every tree. In fact, we select your trees. You can literally buy your trees without getting out of your easy chair. We're going to do it all. It's a one-stop shop to get big trees for your yard. Any kind of tree grown in Florida, that's what we have. Check us out on thetreeplanters.com and give us a call.